Hey, let me share with you a very, very simple law. You've probably heard of this. It's called the law of supply and demand. What does it say? When the supply is higher and the demand is lower, which way do the prices go? Supply high, demand low. Do prices go up or prices go down? Generally, supply high, demand low, prices go down. When it's the opposite, which means supply is low and demand is high, that's when prices are going up. So right now in Dubai, we are in a certain stage where the supply is generally higher, and it's going to be like that for the next 1 or 2 or 3 years until the market catches up and the demand goes higher. And I'm a true believer in Dubai. If you still want to make money in Dubai with $150,000 or less, get my book, The Intelligent Real Estate Investor. I still believe Dubai is a great buy, even at today's price. But let's assume you're a seller. Well, supply is higher, demand's lower, price is going to go down. Right? It's a law. It's not an idea. It's not a theory. You got to price right. You got to listen to your agent. Get sold today and regret after selling rather than regret by holding on to your asset and then getting a lower price later on. Happy selling, man. All the best. And all of you, any of you who are losing money when you're selling, I feel you, man. I sympathize with you. I feel your pain, and I don't want to cause you more pain, but I want to prevent pain that might happen later, right? More pain. All the best, guys.